Good evening, everyone. My name is Rohan Lakshman Mahangre, and I am the student of Galaxy Foundation, and I am from Squadron Cobra. And today we are discussing about a topic that is the Malabar Naval Exercise. So let's study Malabar Naval Exercise. So let's see the history of this exercise. The Malabar exercise it was began as a bilateral exercise between the Indian Navy and the United States Navy. Two more editions of the exercise were carried out in year 1995 and 1996, after which there was a break until 2002. Here the question arises, that's why there is the break until 2002. So the answer to this question is that the Pokhran test range 2. India has tested the Pokhran test range second in the Rajasthan from the period 11th May to 13th May in year 1998. So, and the number of tests is 5 devices fired. The result of this test results in the uh, relations between the India and US, and that's why there is a break until 2002, nearly 5 to 6 years break until year 2002. After that, it was expanded in the year 2007 with the participation of Japan, Singapore, and Australia. Basically, the duration of this exercise has ranged from 1 to 11 sea days. The average participation by India increased from 8 ships to just over 9 from 2002 to year 2014. Malabar is an annual maritime exercise that enhances planning, training, and employment of the advanced warfare tactics between the Royal Australian Navy, Indian Navy, Japan Maritime Self Defense Force, and US Navy. So, let's study the Malabar 2020, which is 24th edition. Uh, it was 24th edition in which there are two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 is conducted between the 3rd to 6th November 2020, and the venue of this exercise is Vishakhapatnam in Bay of Bengal. After that, the phase 2 is conducted between the 17th November to 20th November 2020, and the venue of this exercise is the Arabian Sea. Basically, this is the first time when the all four countries are participated in the Malabar exercise. Of, so let's study about the what is the Quad. After the Indian Ocean tsunami of the 2004, alliance of four countries is formed. In 2007, former Prime Minister of Japan, that is Shinzo Abe, gave legal status to alliance as Quad or Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. In Quad, there are basically four permanent nations: India, Australia, Japan, and US. These are the map which shows the Quad countries in world map. The circle region, the red circle region here, which is the Indo-Pacific region. 2021 edition of Malabar exercise, which is conducted between 26 to 29 August 2021, and the venue of this exercise is the coast of Guam. So let's see where is the coast of Guam. Here we can see the coast of Guam. After searching, there is question arises why this exercise was started. So the four democracies in the Indo-Pacific hope the exercise can act as a counterweight to the Chinese military and political influence in the region. India has hoped that this exercise will be helpful because China is trying to spread its supremacy over other countries. So let's see the how China is spreading its supremacy over the world. So what China's military is doing right now? Let's study. China is using its military, political and economic pressure to bully its neighbors. establish overseas military bases. It is moving forward purposefully and illegally to claim neighbors' maritime region as its own region, stealing resources in the South China Sea, provoking tensions along the Indian P- uh, PRC border, that is line of actual control. As a result, all these things are increasing the risk of miscalculation and conflict between China and other countries. US doesn't want any conflict between the China and its Southeast Asian alliance and partners, so US stands with allies to champion a free and Indo-Pacific. Basically, the US doesn't want any type of bad relations with other country because they wants to they want a free trade in the world. This is the representation by the students of the Galaxy Foundation, and we are from Squadron Cobra. Thank you so much for listening me, and we will provide such videos. Thank you so much.